All right, in this video we're going to show how you can create a slope on the fly, or a dual slope. This is assuming you don't have any kind of job files to go off of. You're just showing up on site and want to start work before anything's been created for you or the localization's been performed. So first thing you would do is go into Create Model. You want to select a slope model is what we'd like to create. Now there's two ways of doing this. You can do it by the machine direction, you're basically the current heading of the machine, or by two measured points. We'll do it like by two measured points. So this would be like if you put your bucket at the toe of slope, drove down to the other end at the toe of slope and measured it. So we'll take our first measurement, putting our teeth on the toe, and we're driving the machine down to the other end. We're going to hit measure point 2. Then we'll go to our next button. And now we can enter in X is going to be across the machine, Y is going to be your forward slope. It's saving ones that I've used previously. So that way if you can have all your 2-to-1s, 3-to-1s and all that saved in here. Or you can just click on it and type in whatever you want. And then we just hit the next button. Now it's saying enter your tool height information, so the base height of the toe of slope. So we're just going to match what we shot, 1,676. And next. Now here we can name it, so when we show back up the next day, we don't have to create it again. We just load this up and get back to work. I'm going to accept it. Accept. So now you can see we've created one. We can basically go out as far as we like and pull that percentage down and grade it out with no model. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments below. Thank you.